Hey guys, today we are gonna be making bread and butter pudding. This is a super cozy and warm dessert that you can enjoy with your family and friends, and it is such a fun and easy way to make use of leftover bread or buns at home. So let's get started. Mix all these ingredients in a big bowl and keep it aside. I did not add raisins in this mixture, I will tell you why. Now you can use any kind of bread or buns to make this dessert as long as they are soft and not chewy. I used hot cross buns to make this pudding. Since they already have raisins in them, I did not add raisins in the egg mixture. Now it's time to add the chopped bread into the egg mixture. Start by whisking the egg mixture to properly combine the ingredients, then slowly add the bread. Once the bread is added, give it a good mix so that the bread is fully coated. Then set it aside for 5 minutes to allow the bread to completely soak in all the flavors. Now brush the ramekins or a deep baking dish with some butter and fill it with the mixture. Once the ramekins or deep baking dish are filled with the pudding mixture, add a few dollops of butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature before adding it here. This step is completely optional, but it really takes the whole butter factor of this dessert up a notch. Here you go guys, this is my super easy bread and butter pudding. You can eat this as it is or take it up to another level by eating it with some ice cream or whipped cream. If you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you next week with some more sweet content. Bye!